Hello. Most people seldom think about calling a locksmith until they have an emergency. Unfortunately, when they do need one, they don't know which locksmith to call. At 214 Area Code Locksmith, our locksmiths are ready 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you're locked out of your car, home, or office, we can have a technician dispatched to your location fast. We're your best choice for a locksmith in the 214 area code and surrounding areas. We guarantee that all our lock technicians are nothing short of lock and key masters, specialists who are thoroughly trained in automotive, residential, and commercial locks. Call us now to make an appointment or to get a quote. 214 Area Code Locksmith offers competitive prices on all kinds of services and advanced security products. You get a 90-day warranty on all services and top-of-the-line security products. We know that you want your security products to last as long as possible, and 214 Area Code Locksmith only installs high-quality products that are made to last years. We can service any of your locksmith requirements. When hiring a locksmith, always make sure they are licensed, bonded, and insured in case there is any damage to your property. We pride ourselves on our unique service, reliability, professionalism, and responsiveness. We aim to ensure the total satisfaction of every one of our customers by offering excellent service at a competitive price. We will not rest until our work meets the highest quality standards. We want you to know that we value the importance of your comfort and security. We operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, which means that you will be well taken care of immediately at any hour and at any location. Call us at 972-544-7220. Thank you for your consideration.